Alldocube recently released the iPlay 50 Mini Pro, and I couldn't resist to get it because it was a cheap price. Let's have a look what's in the box I paid. There's nothing more, only the box. And what I get, and a free cover. They advertise it as a leather cover. I'm not sure if it's real leather, maybe it's fake leather. However, it was for free. I paid with my own funds something around 4,500 baht, what translates to 130 euro. It was those introduction special discount price. It comes with a cover and a screen protector. And here is the box, Alldocube. There's nothing on the side. Here on the cover you can see iPlay 50 Mini Pro with 256 GB in the color of gray. So on this side is nothing too, and there's nothing. Here we have the... let's open it and have a look inside. Okay, this was a slip-on. So, and here we come. What will I... Ooh, a manual. Nothing special here. Just some paper. And it's 3 times the same. Inside 4 or 5. Oh, okay. In many languages. So, there is a tablet. Specification MediaTek G199, 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM, support micro SD cards up to 512GB, and has a 5000 milliampere battery. So let's go more deep. But there is a charging plug. Let's have a quick look what they deliver us. Wait. Nah. So the power supply, here it is. Have a look. And we get 12 volt, 2 amps. That's standard. Nothing exciting here. And what is up in this little box? Have a quick look. So, charging cable. Oh, what's that? Oh, a USB-C to USB-A adapter for whatever reason. And the USB-C charging cable. And everything in white. That's nice, I like it. Let's go to the tablet itself. The beauty. 8.4 inch. I love those small tablets. That was the reason why I got it. Let's have a look. Here we have, let's get a little down so you can see it. There's a power button, and below there's a volume rocker. On the bottom we find one speaker, so it's mono only, and LTE and a micro SD card dual combo slot. As we are talking about the LTE compatibilities, and they did not provide any ejection needle, I get the trusty clip. Well, that was fast. And just get some SIM card inside. So we have immediately, here we have it. Left is the SIM cards. On the right you get micro SD card. So get the SIM in. So here we are. Will you go back? A little more fast? No, maybe not. It feels. It's beautiful. It has a nice touch. It's a metal frame. Upside down. Maybe not the smartest idea to construct it like that, but who cares? Who am I? What do we have on... Oh, this USB-C port. Why did I put it on the top? I not see that often. Okay, on the back, 30 megapixel camera. This is the video quality, 1080p. Sound comes from the internal speakers without image stabilization. Second time, with internal electronic image stabilization. Let's see if it will be better. And on the front we have a 5 megapixel selfie cam. Okay, let's boot it up, the beauty. A really nice system. It's lacking all of bloatware. I did download a couple of, how it's called, emulators, as you can see, but for some reason I'm on holiday at the moment. I was not able to download any ROM, so I will keep this for next time. But what I can show is 2 Android games. Let's start. The first one is Capcom Street Fighter 4 Champion Edition. Before I run into the game, have a quick look at the settings for the resolution. Looks like I cannot change anything in the graphics settings here. So jump right into the game. Let's go. Ew. Okay, I never played this before, and I'm not sure if it's because of the tablet or on every device it looks that not so good, but it plays beautifully. I mean, I'm not playing good, but it's totally fine. You see, and so that's the next game. Dan the Man is a simple 2D platformer, nothing fancy. If you want to see how special Android game is running on this device, leave it down in the comments. I will make a follow-up video with emulation and with the Android games you name in the comments. I love this game. Thanks for watching.